Hi folks, how are you all doing today? So today it's time to learn about new extension. Okay, so another extension we can say. So we've been discussing so many concepts on Scratch so far, like multiple blocks present in Scratch. We've created animations, we've created quizzes, right? Two different types of quizzes we have seen and we understood how to use forever block, how to use conditional statements, right? How to write some complex conditions, how to use speak block, say block, right? Change costume thing, basically switch costume. And we've understood about multiple motion category blocks, control category, sensing category operators. So all these things we've been using them in our project so far, and we've learned so many things, right? And we also have learned about few extensions like pen extension to draw something. We've used it, right? So you've used music extension to get some music. So I'm not sure if I have used this, but yeah, music extension can be used to get some instrumental sounds. Okay, so there will be some number of beats, so you can play sound based on the number of beats. Okay, so video sensing is to sense motion with the camera. Okay, this is something which I am not trying. So for that, I will have to switch on my camera, which I don't know I will be doing it. Okay, so, but yeah, if at all, if there is any need, we'll do that. Okay, and then text to speech. So whatever is written in text, that would convert it into speech, right? And it would speak the same thing out. Correct. So we are going to use text to speech today. We have used it already. Again, we are using it, and we're also using this translate extension. Translate is basically it will translate text into multiple languages. Okay, so something like Google Translate, right? So yeah, when you add those two extensions, text to speech is over here. We have text to speech blocks here. Translate blocks. So these are translate blocks. Okay, you can get the language. So and you can also translate things like this. Okay, so it says marhaba, marhaba, Arabic. Oh my God, it. Let's see Bulgarian. See, so it just shows things in that particular language. Okay, so whatever is written here, that would be actually translated and it would give you. So now with this, what are we trying to do? Let's just build a small conversation wherein, like, there's some mediator here who is translating things to us. Okay, so let's create two characters. One character is the one who is like speaking in some different language. Okay, and we will be speaking in some different language. Okay, so now it will just take the thing whatever we are trying to say, it will convert it, and it will be spoken out by the other character, right? Something like that will do. So just to have a very small conversation, right, we'll just build a small conversational story here to using translate. To just use this, I'm just trying to create this thing and nothing more than that. Okay, so let's say let's choose some simple backdrop first. Let's go to fantasy. Okay, let's say this thing, which house. Oh my god, can you see all of these? Oh my god. Okay, then let's get which character only do we have one. So which? Oh, we have one. Cool. But she looks so cute. She doesn't look like a witch. Okay. So yeah, we have this, and let's let's get another character who would act like a mediator here. So let's go to people and see what kind of people we have. We will be needing someone like a fictional kind of a character, because with which who would go? A wizard girl? I think, yeah, I think, yeah, a wizard girl would go. So she would be the one helping us, whatever she's trying to speak, right? So she will be the one who will be helping us to figure that out, right? Whatever we say, she would translate it to her, right? And whatever she says, I think she would be translating it to us. Let's try to create something like that. Okay. Very small conversation will build because we are not getting deeper into these things. Okay. So let's quickly start it off with which first. So she would say, "Hey, welcome to my witch house." Okay, let's see. When green flag clicked, then we would want to do something, right? So when flag clicked, I would wanna say something. So I will just get this. Say 2 seconds. Say hello for 2 seconds is there. So we'll just go to translate now, right? Let's place this block. Translate this to some other language. Let's say Bulgarian. Okay. So, hi folks, welcome to welcome to my house. Okay. So that's her first thing which she would say. If you want to speak that out, you can actually use that also. Um, we have speak block. You can do this also, right? I think I will do both. Let's get French. Yeah, Salut Fox. Von Juno Sarnva, something like that it said. Okay. I am I really don't have any idea of what French and how would French language is like. Okay, so I really don't know about it. I'm just, yeah, sorry for my pronunciation mistakes here. But yes, so we have done something so far. It is saying something, right? Then she would take it and she would just translate it back to English and it would give us the output. Okay, so then let's go here. We'll broadcast. So we'll use broadcast for the interconnection. So broadcasting message one. This wizard girl, whenever it receives message one, then she would say, so let's speak. Let's make her speak something. So we wait. So like if I can copy this, that would be good. How I'm not able to copy this. Like if this is in French, right? So if we give French, then it would translate it to English, something like that. I thought of. Actually, we know the answer. We can directly write it, but I thought if we can translate it, that would be more good, right? But it's okay, no problem, because we don't know. I mean, I can't write things in English. Sorry, I can't write things in French here, right? So that's why I'm not using translate basically. Okay, so I will just say this. It will just speak the same thing out, and it will also show it. Okay, and then like he will be broadcasting a message to. So new message, and let's say two. Now what will happen is, like when I click on green flag, let me show you. Got it? So she's saying something in French and she is translating that to English, like that we have created now. Right? So now we have broadcasted number two. This would be received by which? So when I receive two, then what would happen? We would again speak something. Okay. So we'll again get translate block. So what will she say is have some dinner and then you can leave. Okay. Let's just write something like that. Have some dinner and then you can leave. Okay. So here instead of Bulgarian, you have to say French. And now we'll have to go to looks and get say block. Okay. So and we'll broadcast number three. Right. Now when it receives broadcast three, so when I receive three, then what would I do here? Here is it will speak this thing only. And in say block also, we'll just say the same thing. And we'll broadcast number four. Okay, so I think this much. I just don't want to drag it forward and take it more right ahead, because this is more than enough, because you understood what translate is actually doing, right? So whatever you give as a text, it is translating it to that particular language, and then it's trying to like render the same thing, right? And yeah, so we have just created a very small project wherein we are trying to translate from French to English. Okay, English to French, basically, that we have to say, because we are manually giving the statements here, and it is trying to convert that to French and say something in French, right? And then we are again making him say in English, so that your user can actually understand what is happening here. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, so this French thing is translated, and so it was okay. So that's it about translate thing. I hope you understood how you can use translate block, right? So whatever you write, you can convert that into any language possible, so you can use it anywhere possible, wherever you can place a variable kind of a block like this, right? So you can just use it there. Okay. So this is something about it, and I hope you really enjoyed creating this very small story here using a witch and a wizard girl, right? So this was all about from Amina, all about our today's session from my side, right? And I'll be meeting you all in the next session. If you have any questions or concerns, you can do let me know in the comment section below. And you can also suggest me if you want to see some stories upcoming, right? Or if you want to create something, yeah, you can suggest me in the comment section below. And you can also submit all your links in the comment section below. Okay, so see that see that you're adding your own creativity, and you can create some very good story here, try creating a longer story wherein it looks like animated picture or a movie, right? So yes, this is something about it, and I'll be meeting you all in the next session, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. Thank you so much. Bye bye.